and hydraulic machines lab. So you know that last class what I have discussed about the introduction of the fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines lab, and where you have seen the particular 10 experiments. We will be discussing 10 experiments, and first experiment is a nose apparatus. So to determine the coefficient of discharge of a uh, rectangular nose, that will be your first experiment. So before coming to the experiment part, let us discuss the theory portion. So first of all, what is nose, that you have gone through in your fluid mechanics ME 303 subject in third semester. Right now you are in fourth semester. So let us recapitulate the previous uh, semester, that what we discussed about the nose. So what is nose? Basically, nose is a device used for measuring the rate of flow of a fluid, of a liquid, through a small channel or a tank. It may be defined as an opening in the side of a tank or a small channel in such a way that the liquid surface in the tank or channel is below the top edge of the opening. Actually, when you will see the picture of nose apparatus, then it will be more clear. So in this particular chapter, nose and wires, the nose is a device used for measuring the rate of flow. Also, wire is also by the help of wire we can measure the rate of flow. But there is little bit difference. What is that difference? And nose is a device which is basically used for measuring the rate of flow of a liquid through a smaller channel, okay, or tank. But what is wire? Basically, wire is a concrete or machinery structure placed in an open channel over which the flow occurs, and it is generally in the form of vertical wall with a sharp edge at the top running all the way across the open channel, and the nose is of small size while the wire is a bigger size. Okay, and the nose is generally made of metallic plate while wire is made of concrete or machinery structure. So I hope it is clear. You can see in this particular here the definition, it is written here, what is nose and what is wire. Some technical terminology you need to know, that is what is nap and what is vein, crest, nap or vein or crest and seal, crest or seal. So nap or vein means the sheet of water flowing through a nose or over a wire is called nap or vein. And what is crest? The bottom edge of the nose. Remember, here it is the difference. The bottom edge of the nose or the top of a wire over which the flow occurs is known as crest or sill. So in case of nose, the bottom edge I need to take, and in case of wire I need to take the top edge over which the water is flowing. Now there are a lot of type of nose. I am not coming to the discussion on this. Just according to the shape of the opening, you need to know rectangular nose and triangular nose are there. Okay. So according to the shape of the opening, rectangular nose, triangular nose, trapezoidal nose, and shaped nose. So here in your syllabus, in your lab, two types of nose it is given, that based on that we need to calculate the coefficient of discharge. One is your rectangular nose and one is your triangular nose. So first experiment it will be your triangular nose. sorry, not triangular. It should be rectangular nose. So both the theory part it will be discussed in my class right now. So just have patience and all this part it will be clear. If you haven't taken my class of previous semester, that is your ME 303
Sir,
nose and wire part. So
excuse
right
me, sir.
now,
স্যার
yes,
স্যার আই ওয়ান্ট
yes.
স্যার বলছিলাম স্যার পারমিশন লাগবে স্যার বেরোনোর জন্য, আমি কলেজে আসছি তো
Hmm.
তো আমি কি ক্লাস লিভ করতে পারি?
ক্লাস লিড করতে পারি মানে বুঝতে পারলাম না।
স্যার আমি কলেজে আসছি স্যার, তো আমি মানে এখন তো গাড়ি চালাবো, তো ফোনটা বন্ধ মানে ক্লাস থেকে লিভ করার জন্য পারমিশন নিচ্ছি।
তো বন্ধ করার কি আছে, তুমি মিউট করে তুমি চলে আসো।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে স্যার, ওকে স্যার, ওকে ওকে, সরি সরি
Okay,
ফর
so
ডিস্টার্বেন্স।
actually here you can see distance over a rectangular nose or where. Here you can see how we can calculate the distance of a rectangular nose. So before proceeding this discussion, first of all let us see what will be the exactly shape of the nose that I am going to show you here. You can see here in this arrangement. This arrangement it is your nose apparatus. Okay. So actually this is your cistern where the water is coming here, and this is your sink or sump from where the water is placing here in this particular portion by the help of the centrifugal pump. So what happened actually, the water is coming from this by the help of centrifugal pump, the water is entering into the suction pipe, then it is coming to the casing, then it is coming to the delivery pipe, and after that the flow is occurring. And what should be the shape of the, if you are taking the rectangular nose, then this is the shape, you can say. So water is flowing over this point. So this point is called your crest or sill, and the sheet of water is called your nave. Okay. Here in this figure you can also see which type of figure I want to show you here. So this is the nose apparatus actually. This side view of the nose apparatus is like this, and this is the top view you can see. Okay. Another viewpoint you can see here. Okay. So this is the shape, or this is this what kind of, that means some auto in AutoCAD or CATIA it is drawn here. You can see the shape of the nose apparatus. I hope it is clear what is nose. Actually the water is basically flowing over this triangular nose apparatus, and what happened, we are measuring the distance. Okay. Now if it is clear, then I am coming to the theory portion. Okay. So let us discuss the theory portion, how we can calculate this. So here you can see this is a rectangular nose, and the height is, it is your this is your nave, the sheet of water, and this is the crest. If I am taking where, then this is the masonry structure. Here this point, the upper edge of the where is called your crest, and this is the lower edge. You can see lower edge from where water is flowing. So this is your crest, this is your where, this one is your nose. Now the length is your L. Length means what? This length. You can see here I am talking about this length. This is the length. So this length it will be given in the manual. Okay. It will be given. So here you can see L and the sheet of water. Let us discuss. It is your capital H, and one strip is taken here, small d, that means from the upper surface of the nose apparatus I have taken H at a distance H, and we are just taking one strip dH. So H is what? Head of the water over the crest, and L is the length of the nose or weir. So here you can see we need to calculate the discharge, and discharge is equal to Q is equal to area into velocity. You know. So Q is equal to area into velocity. So here, if I am taking this small strip, then what will happen? The dq will be the small discharge. Dq is equal to, it will be area of the strip, that is your L into dh, area of the strip L into dh, and velocity is your root over 2gh. And if I am taking actual, then it will be CD. CD is equal to actual by theoretical discharge. Na? So here you can see area of the strip L into dh, theoretical velocity root over 2gh, g is equal to root over 2gh, and dq is equal to CD into area into theoretical velocity. So it is the actual discharge, but here we will be finding out the theoretical discharge. So this CD part, I will eliminate this CD part. Okay. So dq is equal to area L into dh into root over 2gh, where and here you can see the q is equal to, it is the total, it is varying from 0 to h. Okay. So that is why q is equal to 0 to h. CD, just keep CD here, L into root over 2gh into dh. So this, all this part, it is your constant. So ultimately root over 0 to h, h to the power half into dh. So ultimately, if you are just integrating this part, you will be getting this equation 2 by 3 CD. So I am eliminating CD again here. So 2 by 3 L into root over 2g into h to the power 3 by 2. If this CD is eliminated, I will be getting theoretical discharge. Now from the practical, that means this is the without this CD, I will be getting, I am getting the theoretical discharge. Now how you can calculate the practical discharge or actual discharge? Actual discharge we will be calculating by the help of the cistern. So see what happened actually, if there is a, you can see here actually, okay. Now water is coming, hello. Okay. Now basically the water, by the help of this, let us consider this is the nose apparatus. Let us consider this is the nose apparatus. Okay. Now what happened actually? Over which the water is flowing. If the water is flowing over like this, then there is a cistern. So this cistern is basically, this is your cistern. Now what happened? Let us consider this is your cistern. Now when water is entering here, so I can find out the length. This is the length L, whatever, or you can say A. I can find out the breadth here. Let us consider this is your B. And what is the depth it is occupying? The water is occupying. That is the, let us consider H. So what is the discharge? Actual discharge is equal to what? Actual discharge is equal to Q actual is equal to what? Volume flow rate. So volume flow rate means volume by time. So by the help of stopwatch, you just close the knob here, outlet, and by the help of stopwatch, you can see how much height is generated by this particular water. So when the water is entering here, the water level is increasing. Then what in some specific time or in some specific height what is the time, or in some specific time what is the height it is attained. So volume you can find out A into B into H volume, and by time by the help of stopwatch you can find out. So this is how you can find out the actual discharge. And theoretical discharge already I have got. Theoretical discharge from where I have got? Theoretical discharge I have got from the theory part. 2 by 3 L into root over 2G H to the power 3 by 2. So this H to the power 3 by 2 you can find out from the experiment also, and the volume you can find out, T you can find out. Ultimately you can find out the CD. So this is the CD, and for rectangular nose, if the CD value is your 0.6 to 0.7, then it is very good value I can say. And if it is coming from 0.55 to 0.75, then it is also acceptable. So this is how you can perform this particular experiment in the lab. So if it is clear, then we will proceed for in the lab, and before that let us discuss this numerical here. So let us discuss this numerical. Find the discharge. Okay, so you can see, find the discharge of water flowing over rectangular nose of 2 meter length when the constant head over the nose is 300 mm, take CD is equal to 0.6. So you need to calculate the discharge. So L is given, H is given, CD is given, and Q is equal to, we know that 2 by 3 CD L into root over 2GH H to the 3 by 2. Put all the value, you will be getting the answer. So this is how you can calculate the discharge. Basically in exam it can be asked, but right now it is your in your lab. I will be finding out the CD value only. Okay. So here next problem you can see, determine the height of a rectangular wire of length 6 meter to be built across a rectangular channel. The maximum depth of water on the upstream side of the water is 1.8 meter and discharge is 2000 liter per second. CD is this, neglect and end construction. So here you can see the particular value. L is given 6, H1 is given 1.8, Q is given 2 meter per second, CD is given. So you need to calculate the value here. Remember the H1 means from here, from the bottom portion of the nose, the H1 is given, H2 and H. So H is the height of the water above the crease. This is the crease here, this one. And H2 is the height of the water up to crease, you can see. Height of the height of the wire. Okay. So up to crease, what is the height? So here you can find out, because you know the formula. Q is equal to 2 by 3 CD into L into root over 2G into H to the 3 by 2. After putting all the value, only unknown is your H. Once you have got H, so H you have got, H1 you know, so you can find out H2. H2 is equal to H1 minus H. So by the help of this, you can find out this value. Now let us discuss the triangular nose here. So in this particular triangular nose, should I discuss it right now, or we will be discussing in the next class? Right now, let us solve this problem. Solve this experiment. Basically, the experiment which will be performed. So Kamal sir will be there, and Priyanshu Chaurashi, are you available? Priyanshu. I hope he is on the way. Somozit also. So this is the end of the theory part. So I hope it is clear. Any doubt, any question you can ask me. Otherwise, we will be proceeding for the lab. In the lab, all these things it will be shown. by Kamul sir. So if you are having any doubt in related to my theory part, then you can discuss with me. Any
স্যার
doubt,
বল
any question?
স্যার বলছি কি নেক্সট মন্ডে থেকে কি কলেজ যাওয়া যেতে পারে স্যার?
নেক্সট মন্ডে কেন, এই মন্ডে তো আসতে পারো তোমরা। তোমরা যদি আসতে চাও ল্যাবের জন্য অ্যাটলিস্ট, মানে থিওরি ক্লাস তো বাড়ি থেকে এমনি করানো যাচ্ছে, তোমরা ল্যাবের জন্য যদি আসতে চাও, এটা তোমাদেরকে
স্যার এই
ফোর্সফুলি
মন্ডেতে
বলছি
কি
না।
আজকে তো স্যার মন্ডে স্যার।
তুমি কি এইবার ফার্স্ট ক্লাস করছো নাকি আমার? তাহলে তুমি জানো না, তোমাকে তো এর আগের ক্লাসে তো বলা হয়েছে, আগের ক্লাসটা তুমি অত প্রেজেন্ট ছিলে না।
ওকে স্যার।
এনিওয়ে, তো তোমরা যদি আসতে চাও, নো নো প্রবলেম, আমরা আসলে আরো হাতে ধরে ভালোভাবে শিখতে পারবে। আর যদি বাড়িতে বসে থাকো তাহলে এমনি দেখানো হবে, এবার যতটা আমাদের পসিবিলিটি অনুযায়ী আমরা দেখাতে পারবো আর কি। তো বেটার যদি তোমরা আসতে পারো তাহলে বেস্ট হয়। যাই হোক, এখানে আশা করি কোনো কনফিউশন নেই। যদি কনফিউশন থাকে তাহলে জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারো, আদারওয়াইজ আমরা কমল স্যারের কাছে যাবো। দেখো এই যে এই অ্যাপারেটস, ঠিক আছে, এই অ্যাপারেটসটার উপরে আমরা কাজ করি। So basically, Kamal sir, please you move forward to the lab notch apparatus and please show them all the particular uh, machine part and all this, how it is working, everything. You just discuss it, and in the meantime, if Shobhik, if some students they are coming to college, they inform me. So after that, we will be performing the experiment also. So 3 to 5 is different. Your experiment 3 to 5 value will be taken, and after that, you need to calculate the average CD. Okay, Kamal. So Kamal sir is coming to the lab, and all this experiment part it will be discussed by Kamal sir. So be with us, and if you are coming to college, then it will be okay for us. Okay, so I two students they have confirmed that they are coming to college. So no problem if you are not coming. Just see the video lecture and everything it will be clear. Any doubt, any question, then you can ask Kamal sir. You can ask me. And also, I am just again I am telling you here. Go to YouTube here and actually this channel is made for you only. Actually, search DM Study Center. Search DM Study Center. Okay, this you can see 411 videos are there. So basically, it is mainly for you. So here there is playlist Constitution of India. 129 lecture are there. So if you need to gather some knowledge on Constitution, MC401, this is also in your syllabus. Okay, so you can take this lecture for reference. Fluid mechanics and hydraulic machine lab. Here you can see here the experiment. Okay, the centrifugal pump. This experiment is also by video it is shown, and this is the previous lecture, introduction to the fluid mechanics and hydraulic machine lab. And today this lecture it is also I am recording this lecture. It will be available. Those who are absent they can avail this lecture also. And also you can see polity M Lakshmikant 129 lecture are there. So Constitution of India, this lecture is basically also it is made in English, and this polity it is in Bengali. You can see, and also the fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics, the lecture is available here. You can see. Also, you can see fluid machinery. Okay, so this lecture is also available. 57 lecture there. So very small video, 20 minutes video are there. So you can see also as per your needs. Okay, so this is the thing. So if you are just searching this DM Study Center, and then all the video lecture it will be available. Okay. So some lecture related to thermodynamics. It is though it is not completed. So as per your needs, you can ask me. I will make some video only for you. Okay. So this is the thing, and also these notes. What I am discussing here, these notes it will be available in my Telegram channel. So search DM Study Center official. Then in this Telegram channel, you can find out the notes what I have provided. Lots of notes I have provided. So the advantage of Telegram channel is this: it will be uploaded in web. So that is why no phone memory is needed basically. And if you are joining it later, then the history or previous notes you can avail. Okay, so that is not this facility is not available in WhatsApp. Okay, so that is why I am just I'm saying you that please come to here in Telegram channel. Then all the particular notes related to your education here you can search in the Telegram channel. You can search DM. What happened? And in DM Study Center official. Here you can see. You can see introduction to polity, origin of constitution. These notes I have provided to you. Okay, and this is for social service related video I have made. So if you are that means it is not for you. It is also for you, but no need to just keep ignore this message. Okay. And here you can see Polity Notes by Medici. This notes is totally gist of polity. Okay, so you can download this part also. Okay, and lots of thing you can well here basically come to here in this particular media. Okay, and after that so here basically is media the channel link sorry the PDF and all this it is you can find out if you are searching from your mobile. Anyway, so Kamal, are you available?
I'm available now. Okay.
Okay. Now we can start. So any doubt you can ask him, okay? And I am also I am also here. Tell them from the beginning, from switch on to switch off.
বলছি পলাশ দা এটাকে ফুল স্ক্রিন কি করে করবো?
আগে ফুল স্ক্রিন করুন। ওই তো দেওয়া আছে পাশে। তুমি কি করেছো কি?
কিছু
এই তো করে ফুল
আমি তো এরকম করি কিন্তু আসছে না। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে দেখ। So welcome to all of you in fluid mechanics lab, hydraulic and fluid mechanics lab. In previous day, we had discussed about different type of experiment which are conducted in this lab and the different apparatus where we are perform the total experiment which are present in our syllabus. So in today we are starting our first experiment, that is to find out the coefficient of discharge of a rectangular notch. বলো হ্যাঁ এনওসি তুমি নিচে চলে যাবে, প্লেসমেন্টে গিয়ে বলবে যে এনওসির জন্য জমা দেওয়া ছিল, ওটা কি হয়েছে, আমার নামে আপনি খুলে দিয়ে দেন, ঠিক আছে? So in previous day we are discussed about different things. Today we are starting our first experiment that is also discussed that is to find out the coefficient of discharge of a rectangular notch. Okay, and you are known about what is notch, what is wear, and how could we are classified the notch and wear. Here we are use rectangular notch. Okay, so this is our notch. Okay, and it also discuss with you that this notch is used for measure the flow of a tank or any small channel. Okay, so here we are flow water through a small channel. দেখা যাচ্ছে না?
No, sir.
Is it visible now? Or any problem is
No, sir.
arise? Okay, so whatever sir told you that the rectangular notch or notch is mainly used to measure the flow, okay, of liquid through a small channel or a tank. Okay, so here we are flow liquid through a channel, and we are find out the flow, we are find out actual and flow through a rectangular notch. Okay, we are taken a small channel where the liquid is flow, and we are passing through a rectangular notch, and from the theoretical and formulas and different process by which we are measure the actual discharge and theoretical discharge. Using these things, we are find out the coefficient of discharge. Okay, so this is your channel through which the flow water, and this is your rectangular notch, and you know about what is the notch, definition of notch. Okay, so a opening, okay, an opening which is provided in a tank or channel, okay, and such that the flow of liquid, free surface of liquid is free surface मतलब जो है मतलब rectangular, a notch is an apparatus. Okay, notch is a device which is placed in a tank or channel such that the its upper edge is extend above even the free surface of liquid. Okay, so this is the notch, and you know about that. So from the channel, the flow of water is taken, and then it passes through a measuring tank where we measure the actual discharge. Okay, by using the height of the water level. Okay, which is show there in this tube, which is you may called the piezometer. Okay, which is called piezometer. Okay, so by using this piezometer, we are find out the height of the water level inside the tank in a certain time. We are measure for certain time the height of the actually this is the measuring tank where the flow of water which is occur inside the channel pass through a measuring tank. Okay, here we are find out the height of the water which show by the piezometer, and which is measured by using this scale. Okay, you are notice there there is a scale which is placed there. So by using this scale and piezometer, we are find the height of the water level inside the tank. Okay, so because we are find out the actual discharge, and we know about the discharge which is nothing but the flow of water per a certain time. Okay, flow of water in certain time. So you may know that the unit of discharge is meter cube per second. Okay, so when we are calculate the actual discharge, okay, actual discharge, first of all we are taking the initial level of the water which is shown by the piezometer and measure using this scale. Okay, so initially what amount, what is the height of the liquid inside the measuring tank we are taken, and we are wait some time and note down this time, and in this time how much height is what is the height rise of water rising of water that could we are measure using this piezometer one another time, and from this initial and final reading we are taken we are calculate the water volume of water that is come inside the measuring tank, and from that we are find out the actual discharge, okay, in meter cube per second. So from by using this tank we are measure the actual discharge. For that we have need this height and time and also the dimension of this tank, okay. So for that purpose we have need to find out the width and breadth, okay, width and breadth, and it is given in your manual, okay. It is something like 0.289 meter, okay, 0.289 meter width, और इसका जो ब्रेथ है वो भी 0.289 है, ठीक है. तो by
Sorry to
using
interrupt,
this
it is 0.298
0.298, okay.
Yes.
0.298 or 0.298. So by utilize this width and breadth and the value which is measured by us, that is the height that rise in a particular time. By using these three things, we are find out the actual discharge which is take place for this particular time, okay. So it is one of the thing by which we are measure the discharge which is happen in this channel, okay. And another thing are present here you are know, and that is also discussed with you that how can we measure the discharge through a rectangular orifice, and by utilize this formula we can find out the actual discharge through the orifice, through the rectangular notch, okay. So by equating this two discharge we can find out ultimately the coefficient of discharge, okay. So you must understand that you may understand that that this is what this is a channel, because we are find out the flow of water by using the notch, or we are notch of a small channel or a tank. So this is the small channel and this is the measuring tank, and this is your sum, okay, from where the centrifugal pump is pumping the fluid and pass into this channel, okay, and which is flow through the channel, okay. So this is your sum, okay, and this is your centrifugal pump, okay. So now you know that what is the formula to find out the discharge in a rectangular notch, and this is nothing about the CD equal to Q equal to 3/2 CD L root over 2G H to the power 3/2, okay. Q equal to 2/3 CD L root over 2G H to the power 3/2, and here a diagram is show, okay, and you notice that the H equal to nap, okay, which is the sheet of water passing over the crest of the notch is called nap. So so height of the nap is H. Okay, here actually this is small h. Okay, this is small h. So this is the height of the nap, that is the thickness of the sheet of water passing over the crest. Okay, crest. So and L is the length of the notch opening. Okay, notch opening. So H equal to length of the notch opening. Okay, so we have to take the data of L, length of the notch opening, and height of the nap of the sheet, okay, sheet of water, and by using this two data, we can find out the actual discharge in the channel. Okay, and next we are find out the actual discharge using the measuring tank. Okay, whatever we are told that A into B, that is width into breadth into height. Okay, which is rise during the time of t second. Okay, so from that you can find out the actual discharge, and after that we are equating these two and find out the discharge of coefficient of discharge of the rectangular notch. So we are start our experiment now. So on the palm, and then close this opening. So you will notice that the water is start to flow inside the channel. Okay. So after flow is start on the notch and come in a steady condition, then we are start the measurement and take the different data. Okay. For taking the data height of the nap or thickness of the nap, okay, you may first measure the height of the water free surface, height of the free surface of liquid, okay, flowing liquid, height of the free surface of flowing liquid by using this this piezometer and with the help of this scale. Okay, so by using this two, we are find out first the height of the liquid. Okay, flow inside the channel. Okay, and then the height of the crest. Okay, crest, this is called crest, this is called crest. Okay, I'm stop this for showing you the what is crest. So this is called crest. Okay, this is called crest, and it is shown by sir. Okay, this is called crest. Okay, this is called crest. So by first of all, you have to find the height of the free surface of water from the bottom of the channel. Okay, by using this piezometer and the scale provided here. Okay, and then the height of the crest from the bottom of the channel by using a scale. Okay, so for that, the scale is deep inside the channel and take the reading. Okay, take the reading. Okay, so you may notice that the height of the crest from the bottom of the tank. Okay, so you have to take this reading and also take here the reading of the free surface. Okay, height of the free surface of liquid from the bottom of the channel. Okay, so by subtract this two, you can find or calculate the height of the nap. Okay, that is the sheet of water flowing on the crest. Okay, crest of the notch. Okay, so you may calculate this thickness of the sheet or nap by using a scale placed on the crest by this way, and you may find note down the thickness of the nap. Okay, is it clearly visible or not? Okay, by place the scale this way on the crest, and you note down the reading of the thickness of the nap. Okay, directly. And also you may use the previous process. Okay, to measure the height of the thickness of the nap, which is passes over the crest. Okay, so this process is not used in actual practice. In actual practice, we are use first process, that is using this manometer and scale. Okay, to determine the height of the or thickness of the nap. Okay, so you may call the in that condition the height of the water that is height of the water is equal to the height of the uh, uh, crest from the bottom surface of the channel. Okay, so first of all you may take this reading, and then after flow is start, take that final reading, and from that also you may find out the height of the or thickness of the crest. Okay, hello, hello.
Yes,
হ্যালো
sir.
ধীরাজ স্যার, আর তোমাদের কয়েকজন আসলো, ওরা গেল কোথায়? अच्छा, तो हम लोग अभी इसको फिर से स्टार्ट करते हैं और जो रीडिंग है वो लेते हैं, ठीक है।
সাইকোথেরাপিতে আমি এখন থেকে করছি।
सुबह से আগের দিন দেখা ছিল না তোমাদের? अच्छा, तो देखो अभी जो है वो मतलब स्टेडी कंडीशन में हो गया है और इससे ज़्यादा मतलब हाइट में उठेगा नहीं शायद। तो हम लोग पहले जो मेज़र करना था, ठीक है, इसका लेंथ मेज़र करना था, ठीक है। लेंथ मेज़र करने के लिए हम लोग इसमें से लेंथ देख लेते हैं। तो इसमें जो दिखाई दे रहा है, ठीक है, 11.5 मिलीमीटर दिखाई दे रहा है, ठीक है, 11.5 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, ठीक है। ओके, तो इसका जो तुम्हारा लेंथ है वो नॉच का वो 11.5 है सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है। तो इसको नोट डाउन कर लेना कि इसका जो नॉच है, नॉच का जो लेंथ है वो 11.5 सेंटीमीटर है, ठीक है। तो हमने नॉच का लेंथ मेजर कर लिया। अभी हमें डिस्चार्ज के लिए जो चाहिए वो है तुम्हारा हाइट ऑफ नैप। ओके, सो फॉर दैट वी आर place the scale perpendicular to the crest, okay, and take the data from the scale. And when you may know that when we are deep inside the water, it weight the scale, and from that we are measure the height of the nap or thickness of the nap. Okay, so for that we are place first the scale perpendicular to the nap, okay, perpendicular to the crest, okay, and then for that we are take support of this edge, okay. So okay, you can you watch properly, please? Hello? हेलो।
नो सर।
वीडियो क्वालिटी अच्छा नहीं है सर, वीडियो क्वालिटी एकदम अच्छा नहीं है सर, क्लियर नहीं देख पा रहे हैं हम।
So we are taken out it is.
बोले से
तो
क्लियर नहीं देख
এটা
पा
এটা
रहे हैं, वीडियो
দেখা
क्वालिटी
যাচ্ছে?
अच्छा नहीं है।
नो सर, इट इज नॉट visible
ना सर,
properly clear.
স্যার বোঝা যাচ্ছে না।
अभी क्लियर दिखा
বোঝা যাচ্ছে না?
যাচ্ছে না।
হ্যাঁ?
না
না স্যার কিচ্ছু বোঝা যাচ্ছে না।
পুরো
আচ্ছা,
ব্লার হয়ে
মানে
গেছে স্যার,
এখানে
পুরো ব্লার।
থাকলে বুঝতে পারছেন। ঠিক আছে, এখানে যেটা দেখাচ্ছে সেটা এটা যেটা দেখাচ্ছে সেটা হচ্ছে
Yes, sir.
তোমার
Now it is clear.
হ্যাঁ স্যার দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
হ্যাঁ, এটা তুমি এখানে থাকলে বুঝতে পারতে ওয়েট পজিশনটা। ঠিক আছে, এখানে যেটা দেখাচ্ছে সেটা হচ্ছে তোমার 10, 11, 12, ओके 12 मिलीमीटर। ठीक है, इसका जो मतलब शो कर रहा है, ठीक है, थिकनेस ऑफ द नैप वो है 12 मिलीमीटर। ठीक है, उसको भी नोट डाउन कर लेना 12 मिलीमीटर। इधर अगर रहते तो देख सकते थे वेट पोजीशन देख के। ठीक है, वेट पोजीशन जो दिखा रहा है वो 12 मिलीमीटर दिखा रहा है।
दूध फाट गेलो तो हाँ हाँ फाट गेलो ना
13 मिलीमीटर लेना। हाँ 13 मिलीमीटर। ओके, इसका जो मतलब तुम्हारा थिकनेस है,
खाने में का मिला तारा कहाँ चिल्लालू है इतना
इसका जो थिकनेस है,
समझ
हाँ जो नैप है, उसका जो थिकनेस है वो 13 मिलीमीटर है। तो हम लोग इधर से तुम्हारा जो है लेंथ ले लिया। ठीक है, जो ओपनिंग नॉच का जो ओपनिंग है, ओपनिंग का लेंथ कितना है वो ले लिया। ठीक है, कितना आया था 11.5 है ना सेंटीमीटर, 11.5 सेंटीमीटर, उसको मिलीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लेना। और इसका जो
Yes, sir.
हाइट आया था,
11.5.
इसका जो हाइट आया था वो है तुम्हारा 13, ओके 13 मिलीमीटर। तो इसका अब हम मेजरिंग टैंक जो है, मेजरिंग टैंक में इसका मेजर करेंगे कि कुछ टाइम देखेंगे। कुछ टाइम के लिए हम लोग ऑब्जर्व करेंगे। ठीक है, कि उसका हाइट कितना हो रहा है। तो उसमें से और तुम्हारा इसका जो विड्थ है और ब्रेथ है, उसमें से हम लोग इसका डिस्चार्ज जो है, डिस्चार्ज कैलकुलेट करना होगा। और बाकी का जो 2 रीडिंग मिला, इस 2 रीडिंग से हमें जो एक्चुअल डिस्चार्ज है वो कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा यूजिंग दिस रेक्टेंगुलर नॉच। ओके, एंड देन वी आर चेंज द फ्लो रेट एंड also take another 2 reading. Okay, okay, so for that we are close first this knob, okay, which is attached to the measuring tank. Okay, and then we are take the reading initial reading by utilize this piezometer and using this scale. Okay, measure the height of the free surface of the water inside the tank, and then taken the final reading. Okay, and simultaneously we are taken the time to rise this water level, and from that we are find out the discharge, okay, actual discharge using measuring tank. And in previous data we are that is data which is taken from this channel. We are measure the actual discharge and we are equating these two and find out the coefficient of discharge. Okay, so I'm first stop this valve and take the reading and simultaneously start the stopwatch. Okay. এই উৎসব একটু এদিকে আসো, মোবাইলটা নিয়ে আসো। I'm stop this one. Okay, first. তুমি যখন এই করতে বলো তখন একটুখানি স্টপওয়াচটা স্টার্ট করে দেবে। Okay, তো read 190. Okay. স্টার্ট এখানে দিয়ে দাও 250 হ্যাঁ स्टॉप तो हमने इसको पहले 190 में स्टार्ट किया था, ठीक है, और उसका बाद 250 में स्टॉप किया, 250 में 250 को। तो उसके लिए जो टाइम हमें चाहिए वो हमने नोट डाउन किया है 13 को तो 13.24 सेकेंड, ओके 13.24 सेकेंड। So for that reading you have to find out the actual discharge by utilizing this data, or may you called the measuring tank. And initially we are taking the different data from this channel, and using this data we have find out the actual discharge and equating this two, and we are calculate the coefficient of discharge. Okay, all are note down this data. Hello. Hello. হ্যালো,
यस सर।
সবাই নোট ডাউন করেছো এটা? এখানে 190 বলেছিলাম আর পরে 250 বলা হয়েছে, ঠিক আছে, মিলিমিটারে কিন্তু, ঠিক আছে। 190 আর পরে 250 আর 13.24 সেকেন্ড লেগেছে, ঠিক আছে, মানে টাইম, ঠিক আছে। তো এই তিনখানা ডেটা থেকে তুমি বের করতে পারো। তো ফার্স্ট ডেটা আমাদের নেওয়া হয়ে গেছে, এবার আমরা ফ্লোটাকে চেঞ্জ করব, ঠিক আছে। ফ্লো চেঞ্জ করার জন্য আমরা এই ভালভটাকে ইউজ করতে পারি, ঠিক আছে। এই ভালভটাকে ইউজ করে আমরা ফ্লোটাকে চেঞ্জ করব, ফ্লো চেঞ্জ করে আরো দুখানা ডেটা নেব, ঠিক আছে। দুখানা ফ্লো চেঞ্জ করার পরে প্রথম ইনিশিয়ালি পুরোটা একটা ফ্লোতে যাচ্ছিল, ঠিক আছে। এবার আমরা এটাকে চেঞ্জ করে আবার ডেটা নেব, তারপরে আবার চেঞ্জ করব, আবার ডেটা নেব, ঠিক আছে। তো ফার্স্ট রিডিং আশা করি সবার নেওয়া হয়ে গেছে। কারো কিছু বলার আছে? হ্যালো।
No, sir. Okay, sir.
আচ্ছা, নোট ডাউন করেছে তো পরে কিন্তু দেখাতে হবে সবাইকে যে আমি নোট ডাউন করেছি, ঠিক আছে। হ্যালো।
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we are start the second time by change the flow of water. Okay, so for that we are open some extend this knob. Okay, so when we are open this valve, some of water is passed through this portion. Okay, so the water pass in this channel is reduced. Okay, so automatically the flow is changed. Okay, so for that we are lose this open this valve. Okay, you notice there. Okay, so this valve is open some extent, so automatically the flow of water inside the channel is changed. Okay, so for second process, second time we are taking the thickness of the nap. Okay, because we are already taken the length of the notch. Okay, and it is same for all case. Only due to change in flow, the height of the nap is changed. Okay, so we are take the height of the nap or thickness of the nap, and similarly in measuring tank, we are taking the height of the
Priyank,
height of the
hello,
water. হ্যাঁ
hello, প্রিয়াংশু এসছে? প্রিয়াংশু,
দুজন তো
কেউ এসছে
আসলো,
কমল?
এসে তো কোথায় গেল বুঝতে পারলাম না, ওরা তো কিছুই বললো না, এসে চলে গেল মনে হয়।
চলে যাবে কেন? ওরা
কি
তো
আমি
এসে
বুঝতে পারলাম না
ওখানটায়
কোথায়
থাকার
গেল
কথা।
না গেল।
ও আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, তুমি কন্টিনিউ করো, সরি টু ইন্টারাপ্ট।
Okay, so we are taking the next data, that is the thickness of the nap. Okay, for that we are place the scale vertically to the crest and to confirm it, we are take support of this edge, okay, of the notch, okay, and then we are take the data of the thickness of the nap. Okay, is it visible? Okay, now we remove from there this scale. So here what is show the height of the nap or thickness of the nap is 10 millimeter. Okay, 10 millimeter it is show. Okay, so for second condition, the height of the nap is or thickness of the nap is 10 millimeter. Okay, so note down this data, the height or thickness of the nap. Okay, 10 millimeter. In previous case, it is 13 millimeter. Okay, in previous case, first case, it is 13 millimeter, and now here it is show that is 10 millimeter. Okay, so for that we are done. Place the scale perpendicular to the nap, perpendicular to the crest, and to support the scale and confirm the perpendicular position, we are taking the support of this edge, okay, of the this edge of the rectangular notch. Okay, so now we are taking the next data, okay, by stop this valve, okay. বুঝছো, আরেকবার আসো তো, আরেকবার আসতে হবে, আরেকবার আসতে হবে। এটা একটু ধরবে, ঠিক আছে, বলে বলে দাও একটা একটা জায়গায় ধর, এরকম জায়গায় ধর, 70 ধর, 150 বলবো, এটা এখানে ধরো তাহলে সুবিধা হবে, স্ট্রেট ধরো, ঠিক আছে। So at first we stop this valve, okay, and when cross this position, okay, stopwatch is start. Okay. So here is the water level, okay. Slowly it reach this position. When reach this position, we'll start the counting of time, okay. So start. There অন্য একটা যেখানে 210 নেই, 210. So we are taking next position. When reach this position, we stop the stopwatch. Okay. So here is the water level. So it reach stop. So we get the value is 18.98 second. Okay. So by using this data, we are calculate the discharge coefficient of discharge for the second condition. Okay. That is by changing the flow of water or discharge, changing the discharge of water. Okay. So all are note down this data. Okay. First of all, we are taken the height 150 and next taken the height 210 millimeter. Okay. Thirteen point কত বললে জানো? 18.98 सेकेंड. ठीक है. उसका जो टाइम हमें मिला उसके लिए वो रीच करने के लिए वो 18 पॉइंट. Then open this valve. Okay. And now we are open this valve some extent and change the flow of water inside the channel and take another reading. Okay. And from this tree reading, you have to find out the three coefficient of discharge and ultimately take the average reading of this coefficient of discharge. Okay. And that is the coefficient of discharge for this rectangular notch. Okay. So now for third condition, we are change the flow rate. Okay, by opening this valve some another extent. Okay. So you notice that the flow rate is changed. Okay. Here. So automatically, because the flow of water is some portion is come from this position, this path. So the flow of water that pass through this path and flow from this channel is changed. Okay. Now we have changed the flow of water, and now simultaneously we are taking the different data as we take in previous case. Okay. So as we are talk in previous case that the length of the notch is same. So we do not take the length of the notch, only take the thickness of the nap. Okay, thickness of the nap, that is the sheet of water passing over the crest. Okay, and you know what is crest. So we are taking this data by a similar manner previously. Okay. And after taking this data, we are take the reading from the measuring tank for calculate the discharge as usual in case of the previous case. Okay, as usual in previous case. Okay. So now we are take the data for third case, that is changing after changing the flow rate. Okay. So in the as usual we are dip the scale perpendicular to the crest and take the data. For ensure the perpendicularness, we are support the scale with this edge. Okay, here you will notice that the thickness of the nap is reduced, and it show 5 millimeter. हेलो, कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट? हाँ, ও তোমরা কোন হ্যাঁ, ও তোমরা কোন সেকেন্ড সেমিস্টারে? তোমরা ফার্স্ট ইয়ার? ও ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা, তো এখানে যেটা দেখাচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে, এটা হচ্ছে তোমার যে থিকনেস অফ দ্য ন্যাপ যেটা দেখাচ্ছে সেটা হচ্ছে তোমার 5 মিলিমিটার দেখাচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে। তাহলে এটা তোমরা নোট ডাউন করে নেবে যে কত আছে থিকনেস অফ দ্য ন্যাপ। 5 মিলিমিটার আছে এখন নেক্সট কন্ডিশনে, ঠিক আছে। এবং আমরা সিমিলারলি আমরা এখান থেকে ডেটাগুলো নেব, ঠিক আছে, মেজার করার জন্য অ্যাকচুয়াল ডিসচার্জ, ঠিক আছে, এটাকে ইউজ করে, ঠিক আছে, মেজারিং ট্যাঙ্কটাকে ইউজ করে। আরেকবার তো আমরা ফার্স্ট এটাকে আমরা স্টপ করব, ঠিক আছে। একটা জায়গা কত আছে? 150 না 140 এর হ্যাঁ, এখানে দেখাচ্ছি জলে তো দেখা যাচ্ছে। ও তো বড় না, এইমাত্র বন্ধ ছিল, উঠেছে না, ধীরে ধীরে আছে, এরকম জায়গায় ধরো। হ্যাঁ ধরো। So you may notice that here the position of the water. So we are taken the scale here 90. When it reach this position, we have start the stopwatch. Okay. So here it is now. So now it is reached 90 millimeter. Okay. Start to 130. So we are taking the second position in 130 millimeter height, and the water level is show there. Okay. So when this water level is reach this 130 millimeter height, we have stop the stopwatch and take the time reading. Okay. এই তো সেই ঠিক। ক্যালকুলেশন So now it reach 130. Okay, so we're now the time that is taken for reach this height, that is 42.54 second. Okay, so note down this time 42.54, and the initial height is 90 and final height is 130. Okay, initial height is 90 and final height is 130. So we are take three different condition by changing the flow rate. Okay, so from there you have to calculate the coefficient of discharge for three different condition of this rectangular notch, and from that value you have to calculate the average value of the coefficient of discharge, and this coefficient of discharge is the final coefficient discharge of this rectangular node. Okay. Have anyone any confusion? Okay, now we stop the apparatus electrical connection. Okay. আচ্ছা, সবাই নিয়েছো তো তিনখানা ডেটা?
Yes, sir.
হ্যালো।
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
আচ্ছা, তো এখান থেকে তোমাকে ক্যালকুলেশন করতে হবে। নাও আই এম ওভার টু ধীরাজ স্যার। Please, anyone show the reading, which is note down. Hello? Or anyone share the data in WhatsApp group, okay?
Sure, sir.
Okay. If anyone may show this, then show the reading, okay? Or you may share this reading in WhatsApp group. হ্যালো ধীরাজ স্যার।
হ্যালো, হ্যাঁ কমল,
হ্যাঁ ওটা নেওয়া হয়ে গেছে, এবার ওদের কিছু যদি বলা।
কমপ্লিট হয়েছে? ওকে ওকে। So dear students, any doubt, any question you can ask me. Any kind of doubt? কারো কোনো ডাউট থাকলে বলতে পারো। যদি না থাকে তাহলে আমরা এক্সপেরিমেন্টের যে ডিটেলসটা সেটা স্যারের থেকে নিয়ে নেবে, নিয়ে ওটা তোমরা that you need to write in your copy. Then there will be 2 copy, remember. In your one small exercise book, you need to in one exercise book you need to write all these, the experimental data, and after that you need to prepare one file. Okay, so this is the lecture number 1 to the manual you can find out from Kamal sir. Okay, so Kamal sir will provide the manual also. Write down all these, and next class you need to submit all these by video call, all these particular copy report sheet you need to submit, otherwise next lecture, next experiment will not be happen. Okay, next lecture only I will deliver next lecture if you are submitting your file. So remember, more than 50%, if there is suppose 100 students, then minimum 50 to 60 students has to submit their file, otherwise I am not going to proceed for the next experiment. Any question, any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so if no, there is not any question, then Kamal, just what you have taken the data and all these, you just convey to them. Okay, and the manual also you provide to them in my group, and after that
আমি ওদের নিতে বলেছিলাম, ডেটাগুলো নিতে বলেছিলাম, এবার ওদেরকে বললাম যে একজন শো করতে অথবা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপে সেন্ড করে দিতে।
ওকে ওকে, তুমি যে ওয়ার্কশপ গ্রুপ না, আমাদের এই যে এমই যে 491 গ্রুপটা আছে ওই গ্রুপেই পাঠালে হচ্ছে। তো তুমি তোমার ওয়েতে করেছো, তুমি তোমার ওয়েতে সেটা হবে, সবকিছু তুমি যেভাবে করেছো সেইভাবে ওদেরকে সাবমিট করতে হবে। তো আর বাকি ম্যানুয়াল যদি দরকার হয় সেটা আমার থেকে নিয়ে নিতে পারো, বা তোমার কাছে যদি থাকে তাহলে ওদেরকে প্রোভাইড করে দিও কয়েকটা শিটের PDF, ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, তো দিস ইজ আর কোনো কোশ্চেন কিছু থাকলে বলতে পারো, আদারওয়াইজ আই এম গোয়িং টু এন্ড দ্য মিটিং হিয়ার। যদি না থাকে তাহলে আমি মিটিংটা এখানে এন্ড করব। সবাই আশা করি বুঝতে পেরেছো কি বা কি করতে হবে কি না করতে হবে। ওকে, তো কমল তাহলে এখানে এন্ড করছি। আর যে দুইজন স্টুডেন্ট এসেছিল তারা কি এসছে, মানে তোমার সাথে দেখা
না,
করেছে?
তারা তো আর আসলো না, কোথায় গেল কি জানি।
ওকে, ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমরা এখানে মিটিংটা এন্ড করছি। আবার দেখা হবে নেক্সট উইক এই টাইমে। সবাই ভালো থাকবে।